Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking into something pretty fundamental, furniture, specifically how it's getting a major sustainable makeover. We've got a detailed briefing doc here. It's called Sustainable Materials and Additive Manufacturing in Furniture. And our mission for you listening is really to cut through the complexity. We want to uncover those key innovations reducing furniture's environmental impact. We'll be focusing on, what new materials are in play and how 3D printing is changing the game. Think of this as your shortcut to understanding a really crucial shift. So let's dive in. The furniture industry is pushing hard for sustainability, right? Partly because of things like, timber supply challenges.
Exactly. It's not just nice to have anymore. It's driven by real constraints and, frankly, opportunities. And on the materials side, it's getting interesting.
Okay, so what are we seeing? What materials are shaking things up?
Well, there's a definite shift to natural, renewable stuff. The source specifically mentions cork. It's amazing lightweight, grows back quickly.
Cork, right. I've seen that used a bit more.
Yeah, but it goes beyond that. Think about innovative lightweight panels. These aren't your standard particle boards. We're talking advanced composites, some even bio-based.
Bio-based, like what?
Like mycelium mushroom roots, or panels made using agricultural residues.
Wait, agricultural residues? You mean like farm waste? How does that become a chair?
It sounds kind of wild, right? But yeah, think leftover pineapple leaves, rice husks, straw. This stuff normally gets discarded or burned. Now it's being processed, bonded, and turned into really durable, usable materials for furniture. It's a fantastic way to use waste and reduce the need for new wood.
That's genuinely surprising, turning actual waste into furniture. It flips the script on materials.
Totally. Less waste, less reliance on virgin resources. It's a big win, environmentally speaking.
Okay, so that's the material side. Let's pivot to the tech. Additive manufacturing, 3D printing. We hear about it everywhere, but how's it really changing furniture production?
It's pretty transformative. First off, customization, like on a whole new level.
So furniture made just for my weirdly shaped room?
Exactly. Or perfectly fitted to someone's ergonomic needs. That level of personalization just wasn't feasible before, not at scale.
Okay, customization. What else?
Second, and this ties back to sustainability, massively reduced waste.
Right, because you're only adding material where it's needed, not cutting it away.
Precisely. Traditional methods often involve a lot of subtraction, creating offcuts and waste. 3D printing is additive. You build layer by layer, much, much less waste.
Makes sense.
And third, it opens the door to incredibly complex designs, shapes, and internal structures that you just couldn't achieve with standard manufacturing. Think lightweight, but super strong, maybe even integrating smart tech directly.
Smart tech, like built-in chargers or lights.
Yeah, or sensors, potentially.
Yeah.
The possibilities are huge. Now, look, there are still cost hurdles with the initial investment in industrial printers.
Sure, that big upfront cost.
Right. But the benefits, the efficiency, the design freedom, the waste reduction, they're really compelling, and the costs are coming down.
So when you put these two things together, these innovative, often waste-based materials and this super precise 3D printing tech, what's the overall impact look like?
It's a powerful combination. Together, they really push the furniture industry towards a more circular model. You're reducing the environmental footprint right from the start with materials, and then reducing it again in production with less waste and potentially more efficient designs. And crucially, you're doing this while keeping or even improving function and design flexibility.
So it's not a compromise. It's better and greener.
That's the goal. Yeah, eco-conscious design that's also highly functional and adaptable.
Okay, so the key takeaway here for you, our listener, the furniture world is seriously innovating. It's mixing things like cork and, yes, farm waste with high-tech 3D printing. The result? More sustainable, more adaptable, and often more personalized furniture. It's a really exciting convergence.
And maybe a final thought to leave you with. Think about how this isn't just for big factories. How might these sustainable materials and localized 3D printing change things for custom makers, or even for you? Could you one day design your own piece using recycled materials and have it printed locally? What could that mean for waste and resources in your own community, even your own home?
Definitely some interesting possibilities ahead. Lots to think about. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.